happens. To us, is that what they said?
No!
It happens.
Not to you. I won't let it.
It happens.
But we wanted a fresh start. Somewhere nobody knew about us, about other lives. There are other worlds, Eva. Other places than this.
Can you do it?
He takes his there, but I only goes because I know get chips after.
I hoped you could do it.
What?
I hoped you could fish. It would have been something about you that was interesting.
Do you remember, Ava? That first time? Right here? The wind nearly blew you both away. We was grabbing onto each other. You were young and free. Laughing together. Screaming, weren't you? Dancing together. With the wind blowing through you both.
I remember.
And then the rain. Big sheets of it bouncing off the post.
And we ran to you, we got in the car, we didn't have no money.
If this world ain't working for you, then just close your eyes and think of a world that is. Because chances are, things are fine for you somewhere else, in another world.